Welcome to Tanzania. A land where the wild runs free and the sunsets melt into the horizon like liquid gold. Here, the rhythm of Africa pulses through endless savannas, snow-capped mountains, ancient cultures, and turquoise seas. It's where lions roam under acacia trees, elephants thunder through open plains, and dhows drift peacefully across crystal-clear waters. A country of contrasts, bold and serene, raw and refined. Tanzania offers a journey through some of Earth's last true frontiers. Whether you dream of tracking the Great Migration, climbing to the top of Africa, or losing yourself on a secluded island, Tanzania invites you to experience it all. Welcome to Tripinn,
your passport to the most extraordinary places on Earth. In this video, we're uncovering 10 must-visit places in Tanzania that showcase the country's natural opulence, wildlife wonder, and barefoot island bliss. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon as we take you on an unforgettable journey through this African jewel.
Number 1. Serengeti National Park. A land where the earth trembles beneath a million hooves, Serengeti National Park is the soul of Africa. Home to the great wildebeest migration, this living drama features zebras, gazelles, and predators in hot pursuit across an ever-changing canvas of grasslands. Beyond the migration, the Serengeti is home to endangered species like the black rhino and wild dogs, thriving in its protected ecosystems. For an unforgettable stay, the mobile Serengeti Safari Camp moves with the herds, placing you in the heart of the wild with an intimacy that few places on Earth can offer. Sunsets here are not just beautiful, they're sacred. Number 2. Mount Kilimanjaro. Rising majestically from the plains, Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's tallest peak and a symbol of strength and endurance. This dormant volcano towers at 5,895 meters, offering climbers a breathtaking journey from tropical rainforests to icy alpine summits. Adventure seekers can choose from routes like the popular Meringue or the serene Rongai, each offering a different angle of the mountain's splendor. As you ascend, witness ecosystems shift before your eyes. With every step, a new marvel. Even from below, Kilimanjaro casts a powerful presence over the Kilimanjaro National Park, making it a must-visit. Number 3. Selous National Park. Spread across southern Tanzania, Selous National Park is one of Africa's largest and most untouched wildlife reserves. Its diverse landscapes, from grassy plains to swampy marshes and wooded hills, are teeming with wildlife, including elephants, crocodiles, hippos, and rare wild dogs. Cruise the mighty Rufiji River. Selous offers a richer, quieter alternative to the northern parks, perfect for travelers seeking both thrill and tranquility. Number 4. Ruaha National Park. Remote and rugged, Ruaha National Park is Tanzania's largest park and one of its best-kept secrets. Here, giant baobab trees cast shadows over ancient landscapes filled with lions, leopards, elephants, and elusive African wild dogs. Unlike more trafficked reserves, Ruaha offers a raw, intimate safari with vast open spaces and minimal crowds. Explore on foot with expert trackers or take a game drive through endless valleys and riverbeds. Number 5. Ngorongoro Conservation Area. Step into the heart of a prehistoric world in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area, where wildlife flourishes in the world's largest volcanic caldera. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this vast green bowl is home to a staggering density of animals, from massive elephants and lions to rare black rhinos. The crater's alkaline lakes attract thousands of flamingos, painting the water pink in the morning light. But Ngorongoro is not just about nature, it's also about people. Meet the semi-nomadic Maasai tribes, who live in harmony with the land and its creatures. This is where conservation, culture, and wild beauty converge. Number 6. Western Tanzania, Katavi and Mahale Mountains. For true wilderness lovers, Western Tanzania is a realm of untamed beauty few tourists ever reach. In Katavi National Park, herds of buffalo and elephant roam freely. Further west, the mystical Mahale Mountains cascade into Lake Tanganyika, offering a unique opportunity to trek into the rainforest to observe wild chimpanzees in their natural habitat. Top it all off with a dhow cruise or swim in the crystal-clear lake. It's the ultimate luxury in the wild. Number 7. Uguja Island, Zanzibar. After your safari, it's time to unwind, and there's no better place than Uguja Island, the largest gem in the Zanzibar archipelago. Famous for its powdery beaches in Paje and Bweju, snorkel in coral gardens, or just relax in a boutique beachfront villa. Zanzibar is the perfect blend of adventure and indulgence. Number 8. Pemba Island. If you're seeking untouched beauty, Pemba Island offers serenity far removed from the crowds. Known for its lush hills, spice farms, and crystal-clear waters, Pemba is a sanctuary for divers and nature lovers alike. Its coral reefs are considered among the healthiest in the Indian Ocean. For total seclusion, Fundu Lagoon blends barefoot luxury with dense mangrove forests and soft, sandy shores. Number 9. Mafia Island. Mafia Island is Tanzania's best-kept marine secret, a paradise for those in the know. Located south of Zanzibar, it boasts one of the most biologically diverse coral reefs in the world, and a protected marine park teeming with life. From October to March, visitors can swim alongside gentle whale sharks, an unforgettable and humbling experience. Whether diving, snorkeling, or just soaking in the silence, Mafia is a rare slice of heaven. Number 10. Mnemba and Fanjove Private Islands. If exclusivity is what you crave, the private islands of Mnemba and Fanjove are the pinnacle of luxury. Just a short boat ride from the mainland, Mnemba Island offers 12 beachfront bandas surrounded by coral reefs and pure white sand. Meanwhile, Fanjove Island, once uninhabited, is now an eco-luxury retreat with only 6 villas blending seamlessly with nature. Here, dolphins glide past at dawn, This is not just a destination. It's your private escape into paradise. And there you have it. 10 must-visit places in Tanzania. Tanzania offers an adventure unlike any other. Which of these magical places are you dreaming of visiting? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join our global community of wanderers and explorers. This is Tripinn, and the world is waiting for you.